let us look at this question. The diagram below shows the sector P or Q. Arc PQ subtend an angle 45 degree at a center. Given that POQ or the area of POQ is 77, calculate the radius. So this is called a sector. So we know, or we need to know the area of a sector. So what is the formula? So area of a sector is equals to theta over 360 degree multiplied by pi r square. So the area is given 77 equal to theta, the angle given 45 degree, divide 360 degree, multiply by pi, you take it to be 22 over 7 multiplied by radius square. So we are finding radius. So your strategy should be to reduce these numbers to the lowest form. Otherwise, if you're going to multiply to find the big numbers, it will be very difficult for you to work with them. So how do you reduce? So for me, I can start by cancelling out. 45 can go into 360. You know that 360 is 90, 90, 90, 90. So this goes 2, 2, 2. So 45 into 45 is 1. 45 into 360 is 8. So that you should know. Then I can reduce 8 and this 22. So 2 can go there 11 times. 2 can go there 4 times. So what am I remaining with this side? I'm remaining with 77 is equals to 1 over 4 multiplied by 11 over 7 r square. So now I can cross multiply at this point, and I'm going to have, I can start with r square is equals to, all these at the bottom will multiply with 77. So 77 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 7. Now, to get rid of, to find r, I can divide 11. I can divide 11. So r square is equals to 11 into 77 is 7. So it's equals to 7 times 4 times 7. So r square is equals to 7 times 7 is 49. 49 times 4 is 196. So 196. So square root of 196, r therefore is equals to 14 centimeter. So the answer here is 14 centimeter. Confirm that is the answer. So please, for you not to struggle with this, you need to find a way of working out things. Especially should cultivate the idea of simplifying. If there's a part that is so challenging with learners when it comes to mathematics paper 1 is this part for mensuration and also earth geometry. But the only thing or the key behind is just simplifying the numbers. Don't multiply to complicate things. Otherwise, we can proceed to look at the next question, which is earth geometry. That is question 11. So the question reads, the diagram shows the position of 3 towns A, B, and C on the earth surface. What is the time difference between B and C? So the time difference. So how do you find the time difference? So for the time difference, you know that time is calculated along the longitude. So time difference between B and D, C, you need to find their difference in longitude. This one is sitting at 40 degree west. This one at 65 degree west. You know that east and west add. So their difference is 40 plus 65. And this gives us what? What does it give us? This gives us 105. So 105. Now, after you found the difference, to find the time difference or time difference is just simply the difference in their longitude. I guess you've gotten that. Time difference is just converting this difference in their longitude into hours. So it's just the same as the difference in longitude divide 15, because we know that 1 hour is equals to 15 degrees. So that's the conversion that we use. So 105 divide 15 is going to give us 7 hours. So that is the difference in and by the way, we should have used this space that is here. So that is question A. We have 40 plus 65, which is equals to 105. Then now time difference, we just say difference in longitude, and difference in longitude is theta. So you can say theta over 15 degree. So that is going to give us 105 divide 15. That is 7 hours. So the time difference is 7 hours, and we can put it there, 7 hours. So I urge you to put the answer immediately you find it, because you might forget. After calculating, you might leave this place without recording your answer. Now, coming to the second question, a plane flying due east, A to B. So, flying due east, A to B. Okay, they are saying at 900 knots. So that is speed. So speed is, that is for B, please. Speed is 900 knots. Okay, now when the speed is knots, just know that the distance was in nautical mile, and of course time was in hours. Divided gives us knots. Take 7 hours. Find the difference in latitude between A and B. Find the difference in latitude between A and B. So in other words, different in latitude, we are finding theta. Okay, so what do you do? So the first thing first, we are going to find the distance. So distance is equals to, or speed is equals to distance over time. Okay, so what is our speed? Our speed is 900 knots. Equal to, what is our distance? We do not have it. What is our time? Time is 7. So distance is just the same as 900 multiply 7. So 900 multiply 7, what is it giving us? 0. This is 63. So 6,300. 6,300 nautical mile. Now that we have the distance, we can find the theta by simply using distance is equals to 60 theta. So we put the distance 63,000 nautical mile is equals to 60 theta. So divide 60, divide 60. So theta therefore is equals to this and that. So what are you finding when you divide this? So you should be able to find 105 degree. Confirm. So that is how you answer this question. So 105 degree. And I guess you followed